Petraia house by ARGDL in Tapalpa, Mexico. It is located near the town of Los Espinos, Tapalpa. The project is conceived as a reinterpretation of vernacular architecture built with stone and wood. Its morphology consists of two double-height ships and a glass corridor that connects them. The spatial arrangement of the day ship consists of a mezzanine that contains a rest space, and on the ground floor, all social spaces are connected, achieving an axis of coexistence that consists of a kitchen dining living room, and in its most closed part contains bathroom and service modules. Meanwhile, the night ship contains a TV room visually linked to a patio that allows soft light to bathe the interior. In addition, it has a bedroom and a full bathroom. On the second level, the master bedroom with its personal bathroom was generated as the most intimate space in the house, without sacrificing the privacy of the users. The materiality consists of three base elements: local stone to generate the main volumes, regional pine present in roofs and frames, and glass to achieve internal transparency with the landscape. With this, the objective of having minimal impact on the environment and mimicking the cabin with nature is achieved.